What if I told you that there's a way to own gold without even having to hold it, store it, move it, or even touch it? We're talking about a crypto gold hybrid that's revolutionizing the investment world and the future of investing in gold with PAX Gold. So we're going to be talking about what it is, how it works, the advantages of it over other investment methods. So I'll leave this link in the description below, and I'll talk about who PAXG is here in a second. But what we're talking about is the safest way to own investment grade gold. So what is it? It's a digital token backed by physical gold. So PAXG offers investors a cost-effective way to own investment grade physical gold with all the benefits of the blockchain. Each PAX Gold token is backed by 1 fine troy ounce of gold stored in vaults in London. If you own PAXG, you own the underlying physical gold held in custody by Pax's trust company. Now that's a big deal here, right? You're actually owning the physical gold that's in the London vaults. I mean, this thing is in the vaults, and what the token does is say, hey, this represents, this token, the digital token on your phone represents this piece of gold that is in the London vault, right? So, and this is real gold, right? Not this, but this PAX Gold. So it's just a digital token, okay, that represents the physical gold. So the cost efficient, right? It's a lower cost structure than other gold tokens. Okay, so it's secure and regulated. The allocated gold that backs PAXG is custodied in London bank vaults. Okay, what is LBMA? Let's look real quick here. LBMA, and you can look at the gold sheet. I'll leave this link, like I said, in the white paper here. View reports. So PAX Gold is an asset-backed token where 1 token represents 1 fine troy ounce of London LGD, London Good Delivery Gold Bar stored in professional vault facilities. Anyone who owns PAXG has ownership rights to that gold under the custody of Pax's trust company. Since PAXG represents physical gold, its value is tied directly to the real-time market value of that physical gold. PAXG gives customers the benefit of actual physical ownership of specific gold bars with the speed and mobility of a digital asset. Customers are able to have fractional ownership of physical bars, the actual physical bars. On the Pax's platform, customers can convert their tokens to allocated gold, unallocated gold, or fiat currency, and vice versa, quickly and efficiently, reducing their exposure to settlement risk. PAXG is also available for trading. PAXG will also be available on other crypto asset exchanges, and we'll talk about that here in a second, where you can get it, wallets, lending platforms, and elsewhere within the crypto ecosystem. At any time, PAXG holders can look up the serial number, value, and physical characteristics of their vaulted gold just by entering their Ethereum wallet address on the PAXG lookup tool on this website. So what is it? It's a token that's backed by real physical gold. It's not like the EFTs, right? EFTs just track the price of gold, and it's not like, you don't have to go out to the gold store and buy a big chunk of physical gold right there. It's seamless. It says, hey, this token represents this gold bar that's in this vault in London. Basically how it is. How cool is that? So you're actually earning, you actually have gold. How the settlement, how to redeem it. So PAXG is the only gold token you can redeem for good delivery gold bullion bars. You say, I want this, I've got enough to get a bar, if you got that much money, so you can actually get the gold bar. All right, so you can redeem it for USD at current gold market prices anytime. What are the benefits? Physical gold on the blockchain has the advantages of representing legal ownership of physical allocated gold, but does not have the drawbacks of limited transportability or high storage costs, because you got to store that stuff, right? You got to store all this stuff. Instead, it has the divisibility, fungibility, and tradability of any digital asset like Bitcoin. In other words, the best of physical and digital assets at the same time. Okay, so you can trade it like a stock, but it's really backed by gold. How much gold is backed by the total supply of PAXG? The amount of gold representing the total is 1-to-1 ratio. 1 fine troy ounce equals 1 PAXG token. The total supply of gold representing PAXG changes continuously as the market cap of PAXG increases and decreases. Can you get fractional amounts? Yes, it's possible to own fractional tokens, which are divisible out to 18 decimal points. If you purchase PAXG directly from Paxos, the minimum is about 15 bucks. But I'll show you where to get it from GEMINI. And if you get it from GEMINI and you use my link, then you get, and you buy 100 bucks worth right now, then you get $75 of this or any other crypto that you want. So use my link in the description below. You get stuff, I get stuff, we all get stuff. What does allocated and unallocated mean? A good question. When a customer trades for allocated gold bars, they receive ownership rights to specific gold bars that are held in precious metal dealers' vault on the customer's behalf. Allocated gold is identifiable with a unique serial number, purity, and weighting for each bar. When a customer trades for unallocated gold, they do not have actual ownership over specific gold bars. Instead, they have a general entitlement to a certain quantity of gold that an institution promises to deliver. This is hypothetical gold and is a liability of the institution that one has claim against. This is similar to the way a traditional bank operates. Customers don't own specific notes, but rather they have credit that can be paid out upon request. So fees. Storage fees. Paxos does not charge gold storage fees to its customers. Whenever you buy or sell PAXG from your Paxos account, Paxos charges small fees to process that. This includes sales of gold or USD. These fees do not apply when purchasing selling tokens through your exchange. So now we know what it is, how it works, the advantages over physical gold, right? You don't have to store it. You don't have to, make sure that you got, the vault key or whatever. You're actually owning it, so it's a little bit. I don't know if it's a little bit better than the ETFs, because the ETFs just track the price. If that's important to you or not, who cares? You might care or you might not. I don't know. So tell me what you guys think. Leave me a comment below. Is this pretty cool? You own the PAXG, which means you own the actual physical gold, allocated or unallocated, whatever. And it just seems like a very clean, easy way, safe way to own the gold. Now, I'll leave the link here in the description so you can read the white paper and all that. But leave me a comment below. Sounds pretty good, huh? Gold has always been, the safe store haven of throughout history of time, and nowadays it might be good to own some. What do you guys think? But like I said, I'll leave a pinned comment to the location. I'll leave a pinned comment to GEMINI, which is the trading platform where you could buy the PAXG, and it'll give you all the prices and stuff like that. So there you have it. Let me know what you guys think. You like the gold? You like the easiness of the PAXG? You don't like it? You think it's all, a bunch of hoopla or whatever? Leave me a comment either way. And if you like this kind of content, make sure you watch this next video, because that's what YouTube thinks you should be watching. Peace. See you on the next one.